We received a call from a client who had found some rodent droppings in her basement. These are the droppings along with some acorn shells and some other various insects. They were all piled up in this corner. Directly above the corner is this air conditioning line coming into the basement. As you can see, there's a lot of light coming in around the opening. This is what I like to call a super highway for mice. All insects really can fly into these openings. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking some copper mesh and stuffing it up and applying it into all the cracks and crevices. Rodents do not like this material. When they try to gnaw on it, they don't like the sensation that it leaves in their mouth. As you can see, there's no more light coming in because I had already plugged the holes. I also stuffed some copper mesh on the outside around the entry points too. That way we're creating a very good barrier. I installed an exterior rodent station in this area just in case these guys decide to come back. They'll get their fill outside.